In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the page number from the first page in Word. This is perfect when your document starts with a cover page or title page and you don't want a number showing there, but you still want numbering on the rest of the pages. We'll use a built-in feature called Different First Page, which hides the header or footer content on just that first page while keeping everything else intact. Start by opening your document and moving your cursor near the very top or bottom of the first page. Double-click directly in the header area at the top or the footer area at the bottom. You'll know you're in the right place when the header or footer editing space appears with a dotted boundary and the Header and Footer tab shows up on the ribbon at the top of your screen. If you don't see that tab, you probably clicked in the main body of the document. Try double-clicking again a little closer to the margin. With the Header and Footer tab open, look for the Options group. There, you'll see a checkbox labeled Different First Page. Click that checkbox. The moment you turn it on, Word creates a unique header and footer just for page 1. That means any page number or other content that was showing on the first page's header or footer will disappear from that page, but it will remain on page 2 and beyond. You haven't deleted the numbering from your document. You've simply told Word not to display it on the first page. This is the cleanest way to keep a professional-looking cover page without disturbing the rest of your layout. To finish up, close the Header and Footer view. You can do this by clicking Close Header and Footer on the ribbon, or by double-clicking back in the main body of the document. Take a quick scroll to confirm the result. The first page should be clear of any page number, and the next page should still show its page number in the same spot as before. If you don't see the change, make sure you turned on Different First Page while you are actually in the header or footer view. Also check that you're looking at page 1 when you evaluate the result. And remember, this feature only hides the page number on the first page. It doesn't renumber the document. If you need the second page to appear as page 1, that's a separate formatting choice you can handle later. That's all there is to it. With just a couple of clicks, you've cleaned up your first page without affecting the rest of your document.